where y'all live. Here in Dallas, Texas, the weatherman said there's a cold front for possible snow Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's restock this pantry.
And they like a girl.
I know what y'all are thinking. Why the heck do I have all these chips in here? I honestly just meant to buy the Sun chips, but I don't know. I guess I forgot to take out the other chips from the cart. Boys and Chosen are only allowed like 2 snacks a day, period. This is gonna last us for a long time.
I got a game time. I want around the world.
That's an understatement.